In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update subscriber information in MailerLite. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to MailerLite. Then sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the left navigation menu and click on Subscribers. This will bring up your full subscriber list, which is where you'll manage everyone in your audience. To find the specific subscriber you need to update, use the search bar at the top. You can search by email address, first name, or last name. So just type in what you remember and hit enter. Once they appear in the results, click on their name or email address to open their subscriber profile page. This page shows you everything about that person: their name, email address, any groups they belong to, and any custom fields you've set up. Take a moment to review the existing information so you know what needs to change. When you're ready, locate the Edit button inside the profile and click it. This will unlock all the fields so you can make updates. Start with the basic information. You can change the first name, last name, company, and phone number right here. Then move down to the custom fields. These are the extra data points you've created, like membership level, customer type, or industry. Edit any custom field that's outdated. Next, check the group memberships. Make sure the subscriber is in the correct groups, and feel free to add or remove groups as needed. It's also a good idea to verify the email address itself. Ensure it's accurate and properly formatted before you save. Once everything looks right, double-check all your changes one more time. When you're confident, click Save or Update Subscriber. MailerLite will apply the changes immediately. To be absolutely sure, refresh the profile page and confirm that the updates appear correctly. As an optional step, you can test your segmentation by checking that the updated information is reflected in the relevant groups or segments you're using. And that's it. The subscribers' information has been successfully updated and is ready for future campaigns and automations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.